Hi, this is Kelvin Kinani, the official tour guide and project officer for Moja International Voluntary Services, also known as PIPS Kenya internship, and now also affiliated to Safari Rabbis uh, as partly founder. And I've been to Pamoja for a long while now, over let's say over 10 years. And I'm here at Ole Kasasi Primary School in Kajiado. I'm a silent, and this is the kitchen where they cook. And we are seeking volunteers and tour guides who will do a trip to come and renovate this kitchen, the toilets, the classrooms, with any kind of expertise and materials that can be sourced here locally. And as you can see, this is a government school. I will show you around. So there's a lot of work to be done on this kitchen, and we're seeking your help. And of course, Pamoja is a partnership here because I teach here the pastoral program instruction called PPI on Fridays when they are open in school in the morning. So that's why even our tour group or our tour company is called Safari Rabbi, because a rabbi is a teacher. I teach here, but I also am a very good guide in form of teaching, um, cultural teachings. I've been experiencing volunteer work, cultural teachings, religious teachings, any kind of teachings, but even Christian. So as we tour, this is part of the work you can do for any any amount of time, whether you want to work for hours, days, weeks, as you tour the whole of Kenya and the African countries. So you are welcome. So let us go around. I want to show you more things that can be done in this school because I love this school. We have been teaching this school from um, 6 now going up to 8, and we have interesting teachers, religious also, uh, Christians mostly. So this is where we can do a lot of work. This is the uh, uh, girls toilets, so we can do a lot. There's a lot you can do. Yes. So these doors need, these doors over here, they need repair, and also the toilet they need to put water that can be flushed. For the boys the same. Yeah, there's a lot you can do. There's a lot. Painting classes, putting warm lights when it's cold right now. Yeah, this is another classroom. We need windows. Yeah, we need also computers, laptops. There's somewhere we can get Core i5 and Core i7 4th generation at a very good price. So you're welcome. Come, let us do. There's a lot. This space is big. The classroom are up to standard 8, 3 streams each. That's the boys' toilets at the back. You can see them just right at the back. Some need doors, and we need cisterns that can flush, toilet that can flush. There is water, but we need more. So this is a very good school. We come and teach here. So there's a lot of work to be done. I just need to do some paperwork, talk with the head teachers, because this is a wonderful project that can really impact the children positively. There's a lot you can bring here: learning materials, books, chairs, desks, locker rooms, games kit, football. Boys love football here, but we can do many sports: badminton, table tennis, a lot. So we can really transform the school. We can also give the teachers a good classroom, a good parade, and everything. We can really transform this school into a modern school. So you're welcome. Come and work with us. Come and work with PIPS Kenya. Come and work with Safari Rabbis. So I invite you. You can see I'm wearing a t-shirt of PIPS Kenya. So I want you to come and work with us. So the school is called Ole Kasasi Primary School. Yeah, there's no one here. People are closed right now. Yeah, but you can see that. But I really want you to come. There's a big football pitch. You can put nets and all kinds of equipment. There's a lot to do in this school, in short. So I welcome you, and it is a very nice location, prone with, I mean, not prone, but is a location where there will be a train nearby that can go to many places. There's a train station not far from here. There's very good estates around here. There's it's a Maas Island originally, but people are developing real fast. There's a parking for the train station around here, just this direction behind me, and all that. So this is a very good place. There will be a market just behind me for vegetables and all that. So come to this school and come and support Kelvin. Come and support Pamoja. This is a nice project. Come and support with many things. We want all kinds of leaders, prominent people, all kinds of volunteers, whether you are rich or not, all kinds of people, non-religious, all of them. You are welcome to this place. Behind me, there's a Catholic church, but there are many churches in Kenya. This school is a multi-racial, multi-religious school. So come and join us. You're welcome. So if you want me, you can get me in. I'm going to create um, an affiliated PAVS Kenya Instagram. Just check me out, Safari Rabbi, or another name, but just type Safari Rabbi. Maybe you'll find me. I just want to create all that. Safari Rabbi in Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also it's affiliated to Pips Kenya or Pamoja Kenya, Instagram, Facebook, Pamoja Kenya, pipskenya.org website. We are updating the website, so all this. You're welcome. See you. If you want to get me on WhatsApp, my number is 0722 175 448, or you can call me directly. I'm also in line. Uh, I'm also in Facebook, all the social platforms, YouTube. So I'm creating even more. You're welcome. See you in Kenya. You're come. We do volunteer plus tours plus culture and all kinds of visit. I'm very informed. I can really take you to many places you have never been, and you'll enjoy your life. Uh, you'll enjoy everything. If you want to come for a religious tour, I can take you. I am a minister also of the gospel, but I have dealt with all kinds of volunteers and tourists. So you're welcome to Kenya, welcome to Africa. Bye.